For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. On the back of a scintillating innings by AB de Villiers, Royal Challengers Bangalore defeated Kolkata Knight Riders by 82 runs in Sharjah. After electing to bat first, RCB got off to a steady start with their openers looking in great touch. However, Bangalore lost momentum during the middle overs and was staring at a below-par score at Sharjah. But AB de Villiers had other plans as he smoked KKR bowlers to all corners of Sharjah from ball 1. AB de Villiers amassed 73 runs in just 33 balls against Kolkata Knight Riders in Sharjah, missed a 360, smashed 5 boundaries and 6 massive maximums. The South African batting legend registered a strike rate of over 221 during his innings in Sharjah. AB de Villiers propelled Bangalore's score to 194 in their allotted 20 overs. In reply, Kolkata batsmen never got going and crumbled like a pack of cards, handing RCB their 5th win of the tournament. RCB bowlers put on a clinical show at a difficult Sharjah wicket as both pacers and spinners did their job to perfection. Yuzvendra Chahal and Washington Sundar bowled out of their skin during their spell against Kolkata. Chahal was the pick of all RCB bowlers as he strangled KKR batsmen for runs in the middle overs. During his spell in Sharjah, Yuzvendra Chahal, in his quota of 4 overs, bagged 1 wicket against Kolkata Knight Riders. The leg spinner registered a brilliant economy rate of 3 runs per over. It was a dismal performance by KKR as they could only score 112 runs and fell short of RCB total by 82 runs. After the game, RCB skipper Virat Kohli hailed the superhuman effort by Mr. 360.
They have played good cricket in this IPL. Coming here, it was important to get the right start. Great to see individuals step up when the team requires. Bowling unit with Morris coming in looks all the more potent. Very happy. At the toss, the pitch did not have the usual Sharjah sheen. Knew the wicket was going to get slower and slower. Barring one superhuman, everyone struggled on that pitch. On a pitch like that, only AB can do that. It was a special knock. We got 195 purely because of the genius of that man. Always things you can reflect on and say you can improve on these things. All about taking this momentum forward. Don't want to be complacent.
Bangalore looks a force to reckon with so far. And with 5 wins already, they are placed comfortably at the top half of the points table. KKR will look to forget this game as quickly as possible and bounce back in their next game as we enter the business end of the tournament.